have arrived to bring you love and happiness! No! This is no good! You sound like Emmett, but you're not the special. Look at that giant bundle of muscle and happiness!
It sure was a great mermaid. Do you know the story of the little mermaid when I was little? Oh, when I was just a little girl, I used to take care of my baby. Oh, do you mean you are so talented? But you are the biggest of all. But I'm Surfin bird. Well, but no way. I'm looking for Surfin bird. Well, take a look over there and find out. So you see something? Oh, that's great.
My old friend Cowfish Craig might have one you can borrow. He lives in Waverly Hills. Try checking with him. See you around, partner. Howdy, SpongeBob. Yeah, go get these oxygen tanks filled at Oxygen Springs. It's just up the road. Oh, hooray! You're the greatest, SpongeBob. Let's get going to Neptune's paradise.
Watch it. Yeah. Oh, no. Now that's good television. The rocket burped me back. I planned this out really carefully, so don't mess it up. Right now, I'm trying to book an imaginary act for your imaginary TV show.
Well, today is my lucky day here. But take a look over there and you can see. Well, do you know the story of, what about the mermaid? Do you mean the story of the little mermaid here? Well, I'm so big. Do you mean I'm very big to read a story? Oh, Surfin bird. Well, it's just one thing you must do. Well, take a look over there.
Well, everybody's heard about the bird. The bird. That is the word, a bird. The bird is the word, a bird. The bird is the word, a bird. The bird is the word, a bird. That is the word, a bird. The bird is the word, a bird. The bird is the word, a bird. The bird is the word, a bird. That is the word, don't you know about the bird? Well, everybody knows that the bird is the word, a bird. The bird, the word, well, everybody's heard about the bird. Bird. The bird's the word, the 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 bird. That is the word, the bird. That is the word, the bird. The bird's the word, the bird. That is the word, don't you know about the bird? Well, everybody's talking about the bird. The bird. The bird's the word, the bird.